100%.
Yeah, unless
dude.
Messi has one of his days, which he can do, but I think Bayern are just too complete for Barcelona.
I just want to get my feet up on this table and just get a cup of coffee out and just take in a Messi show, please.
All of absolute legends, as you rightly said, two teams in good form.
So off we go, which includes 18 successive wins. Looking for Muller, on to Lewandowski, and then back to Muller. And the man who always seems to score big goals in big games for Bayern Munich scores an early one here in the Champions League against for the Barcelona coach Quique Setien. Foul committed over there by Serge Gnabry. It is by Clement Longley to Jordi Alba, and Suarez was waiting. Oh, it's been hacked into his own net. It's an awful moment for David Alaba. Manuel Neuer had no chance at all, and Barcelona get themselves back in it with a free. It's a lovely ball to Suarez. Good save by Neuer, and they were open.
Between Suarez and Boateng, he's away. But that's not the fourth or fifth time.
Forward by Thiago, on by Muller. For once, Robert Lewandowski didn't quite get it right. Glanced on by Lewandowski. Piqué not sure where it. Davis with a foul on Vidal. Messi gliding. Messi moving. And it's taken off him by Gnabry. Perisic queuing up in the middle. Oh, it's in. It's Perisic who scores for the second successive game in the Champions League. And he justifies Hansi Flick's decision to keep him in the starting lineup. Kimmich might fancy a shot. Tees up Thiago, who hits it off the outside of his foot and drags him.
Look how high they are again.
Sergi Roberto stays on side and delivers the cross. And Jerome Boateng running at Sergi Roberto and delivering a good ball in, and they're floundering again. They have now scored 33 goals in the Champions League this season. They might be in for another one, and they are in for another one. And it's Serge Gnabry. And don't you just love the Champions League, because it serves up nights like this. 21 goals this season now for Gnabry, and Barcelona are falling.
Yes, they are. Like
Here they are again. It's Robert Lewandowski. Oh, he's missed it. It's a save. Here's Kimmich. Drilled in towards Muller. Well, there is number 4. 4 goals in just over 30 minutes for Bayern Munich against Barcelona. And this could be an lovely touch by Muller. Here's Goretzka, and it's opening up for Goretzka.
My word.
Nose on it. Suarez. Alaba looking to get back. And actually did quite well there to get it through. They're in trouble again. Perisic went for the top corner.
Going to need refresh and double quick, aren't they?
Messi fouled there by Thiago. Here goes the Bayern corner in towards Robert Lewandowski, who was able to get his head on the ball. Sergi Roberto looking to sneak in. There's Suarez with the chance and the shot, and he hits it.
Possible. Really good attitude on them.
There's a great energy about them. Whether they've got
great run by Goretzka.
Kimmich finds him with the pass. Goretzka in, couldn't keep the shot down. Lewandowski seemed to run out of ideas. Muller's though picked up the pieces. Lewandowski with the tap in, and then the flag goes up. Yeah. Which is how they do it these days. They do tend to wait. There's Suarez with an opportunity. Suarez is in, and Suarez scores. And is that the first step along the road to recovery and redemption for Barcelona? He skins him, still going, still pulls it back. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. It's finished off by Joshua Kimmich, but it was made by this wonderfully talented teenager, Alphonso Davies. Gnabry's lost it. Here's Messi. Messi shot deflected. It'll be a Barcelona corner. It's the
Flugger was with him, and he just ran off him, and Messi is just standing.
Coutinho's cross, Robert Lewandowski. He had to get one in the end, and he's got one to make it 6-2. And they've got men over again. Coutinho, and still, and there is another one. Well, he won't celebrate it because he can't celebrate it because he just scored the 7th goal against the club that he actually plays for. It's a completely embarrassing night in the Champions League for Barcelona. That's the first. Argo lifting another one in, and they're looking for more goals. And here's Coutinho, and he's got another one.
This is ridiculous.
It's 8.
This is ridiculous.
8, and it's absolutely embarrassing for Barcelona. And Coutinho's come off the bench on loan from Barcelona. Perisic, who keeps his place tonight, despite the fact that Kingsley Coman is back on the bench. It's trouble. Here's Messi on the ball.